Pork! Yes, go Sir Keith. Ano po yun? Ay, sinik my abs. Oo nga, nakita yun sa trailer na sinabi mo yun, Barbie.
No.
Oh my gosh.
Ad-lib na yun.
It was an ad-lib.
Sorry
Bongga.
na. Sorry.
Oh my gosh. Barbie, gusto ko malaman, what pushed you to ad-lib that?
Kasi ang subtext ko doon, anong karapatan mong magloko ni wala kang abs? Alam mo yun, hindi ka perfect. Bakit? Yung gano'n, yun yung subtext. Hindi, yun nga, yun, kahit nga may abs, hindi ka dapat nag-cheat. Ano pa yung wala? Yun yung
Nakalaro lang
ano.
po namin.
Oo. Yun, oo. Pero yun, mabuti pumayag. Sabi ko ibabato ko na lang, tas bahala na sila kung isasama nila or hindi. Pero naramdaman ko kasi na punchline siya sa dulo kasi mabigat yung buong eksenang yun. Eh, comedy tayo. So, yun.
Oh, bongga. I love it. Palakpakan po natin our cast. Grabe! Saving Cherry. Thank you so much, ladies. Direct. Okay, ngayon naman it's time for us to head on over to the boys. Okay, Khalil and JC, gusto namin malaman, how was it like working with these beautiful ladies on set? Kamusta yung experience?
O, Sasa, JC muna ako.
Hinatid ko si Sasa after ng taping namin. Ayun, hinatid ko si Sasa after ng taping namin. So, dami namin na pagkwentuhan. Naging close din kami nun. Hindi, yun. Sobrang grateful ko din. Sobrang saya. And naka-work ko naman na si Barbie before sa P77. And sobrang relax, alam mo yung comfortable ako na makakagawa dito kasi walang magja-judge eh. Hahayaan ka lang nila na gawin mo yung gusto mo, gawin mo yung character mo. And kay Barbie Fortesa kasi sobrang na-appreciate kita, Barbie. Kasi lahat ng co-artist niya, nakita ko kay Barbie Fortesa kung paano niya ibigay sa mga co-artist niya yung magsha-shine ka, kailangan pare-pareho tayo ganito. Ibibigay niya sa'yo yung character mo, yung kabatuhan mo. Hindi pwede siya yung aangat lang, basta lahat tayo dito pantay-pantay. Yun yung na-appreciate ko kay Barbie. Since before pa sa P77. Kaya sobrang saya ulit maka-work. Ayun, yun po.
Thank you so
Barbie.
much, JC. Okay, JC, sorry, is this your first comedy or hindi? First comedy mo ba to?
Parang first ko
Parang
ata
first mo,
to.
no?
Iba,
Wow.
first, oh.
First comedy mo to, JC. Kasi di ba minsan sinasabi nila that comedy is the hardest. Di ba?
Sobrang hirap.
Kamusta yung adjustment mo, JC? Or how was the challenge like on set?
Oh, iba kasi yung character ko eh. So, sobrang na-challenge ako direct. Hindi hindi ko kasi alam kung ano yung bibigay ko dun sa character na yun. Kung eto ba, kasi may nabigay na ako nun before. Sabi ko, mas i-level up ko kaya. And then direct, hinayaan niya lang akong ibigay yung character na yun. Sobrang in-enjoy ko na lang. Sobrang nakita ko naman na si Sasa eh. Parang nagbigay sa akin ng parang nagbigay sa akin yun ng lakas. Okay. Gagawin ko na yun.
Thank you so much, JC. Grabe. Ano ulit? Gusto mo ba sabihin yun ulit, Sasa? Or wag na?
Ang alin, ang dami mo namang sinasabi. Charot, ano po yun?
Gusto mo ba sabihin yun ulit yung sinabi mo? The side comment?
Na? Napapertil ako.
Oo. Yes! Love
Oo.
it.
May nabubuo.
May nabubuo
Pero
na.
thank you nga kay JC kasi nga hinatid nga niya ako. Tapos alam mo yun, paulit-ulit! Yun yung headline. Kasi sinadjust ko.
At tinur niya pa ako sa niya, sa
Sa bahay niya.
office niya, sa office.
Pasensya na syempre pagdating sa lalaki, di ba naiintindihan nyo naman yan?
Eh, ako yung nasa dressing room nila. Share kami tatlo. Ako nagta-third wheel talaga doon. Nandun na ako, nagme-makeup ako, naririnig ko si Sasa. So, JC, how are you going home later?
Wala na tayong magagawa, di ba? Thank you po. Yun, ang dami na nasasabi. Tama na. Next question ate.
Okay, thank you so much, Sasa and JC. Okay, Khalil! Yes, okay.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Sorry, ano ulit yung question?
Yes.
Nawala na ako eh. Na-immerse na ako dun sa kwento ni
Yes.
Sasa. How's it like working with them? no?
Yes.
I remember nung script reading pa lang namin, nung binabasa na namin yung mga, the funniest moments in the script, nasa isip ko agad, patay, kagulo to. As in, ang gulo nito. Kasi, yung comedy sa part ko, hindi ako, hindi ka sa punchline matatawa sa akin. It's the circumstance of what my character goes through. Sila, may liberty silang magpatawa, mag-adlib. So yung pinaka-challenge sa akin, hindi tumawa. As in, ang daming moments, di ko mabilang na lahat sila pagka naging unhinged na. Binigyan kasi ni Direk ng liberty yung actors to, just unleash whatever you want to unleash. I remember the very first day, there was one moment, one scene, na parang si Direk mahilig bumulong. Bubulong siya ng off-script to certain characters na surprise gagawin during the take. So I had no idea kung ano yung gagawin nila. Gulatan na lang. So yun nga, hindi ako pwedeng tumawa, hindi ako pwedeng mo off character. So yun yung pinaka-challenge sa akin. But I mean,
Napamura ka na lang.
oh, napamura na lang ako. But yeah, it was such a really great experience to be able to witness firsthand how close they became while shooting the film. Kasi sobrang genuine, sobrang natural ng connection nila. As in, when you would do scenes with them, parang naniniwala ako. Sobrang tight-knit na barkada sila. Yun. Such great actors.
Thank you so much, Khalil, for sharing. Yes, diba? Okay, Khalil, ito naman gusto kong malaman because Direk mentioned na parang you were in his mind, writing the script pa lang, it was already you. So when it was presented to you, yes ba kaagad? Was it a yes? Okay, ito na.
May pinag-isipan ko muna siguro mga 2 months bago ko. Joke lang. Hindi, sabi ko lang, Gcash ko na lang sa kanya. Pagdating ng press con, sabihin mo yan lahat. No, I worked with Direk Ivan on Love vs. Stars before. And I remember clearly my experience there working with him. It was such a great experience kasi he really values the actor and director collaboration, which I love. Sobrang sarap ka-work ni Direk Ivan. So when I actually didn't know that you were directing, nauna yung script. Nauna yung script, tapos sinabi na si Barbie yung si Cherry. Tapos I said, yeah, okay, let's do it. Tapos nung nakita ko si Direk Ivan, lalong, oh my gosh, reunion project, game, super game. So yeah, tas nalaman ko na lang later on that when he was writing, he was thinking of me. Pero hanggang dun lang, hindi dahil alam niyang cheater ako. Hindi yun, not true to life.
I love it. Thank you so much, Khalil. And
Thank you.
again, thank you to everyone for sharing. JC, maraming salamat. Okay, ngayon naman, I am done with my questions, but it's now time for us to move on with our friends from the media for their questions. So, when I call your guys' names, okay, please do stand. I think